Good afternoon. I'm gonna see if I can finish my set. So I need 4. I need the grandpa, violets, Oompa Loompa, and I forgot. Circus. I moved a little. Willy Wonka.
Oh, that's good. That's a good one.
Is it? Oh, it did. It pushed everything along. That was nice. That was a good drop. Oh my God! All those cards dropped when I'm not even working on those cards. That helped. I was trying to get Grandpa, and now I got a bunch of ones. So let's see what dropped when I wasn't even watching. So we got okay, so I got 2. So I need 2 more. I need Rufus All and this Grandpa right here. So I put $7 in, which was 100 plays. Oh, sorry, it's like Grandpa's not moving very well. Go over here. Oh my God, he is not moving at all. Okay, that was a little movement. Come on. Is that gonna do it? No. Here comes another card. I hope it goes to the right. That would be awesome.
Now this piece of gum here is one that I've been chewing on for 3 months.
Oh, it's Violet and she got stuck.
Why does that happen?
I know. Okay, there. Oh man, so close. Oh, there we go. All right, so now we're gonna move to a different machine, but I gotta. Okay. So what should I do with the last 40 plays? Just do this side. There's a Garuka. Let's see if we can get this. I just don't know if these the ones on the far left, I just don't know how well they move. There's another Violet. Oh, no, she didn't do much. Oh, they moved a little. Oh, you know what? That one underneath is a Rufus All right there. So if we can get them to move, we might not have to move machines.
Got to get that pile moved enough and then it'll come out.
There's all these gaps on the coins. Oh, okay, that's a good. Oh, they moved it a little. That's good. But it's gapping so much on it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's lots of empty spots on the top tray. It just makes it hard because when you drop a coin, it fills in the empty spots. It doesn't really move anything along.
congratulations, Bob. How did you do
work
it?
this off. See, is she gonna help move stuff along? Oh, it's falling wrong. There we go. Nope. Anything? Oh, there we go. There we go. So value-wise, this machine here at Circus Circus is a lot cheaper than anywhere else. So $7 for 100 plays. I've got a bunch of cards. So $1 gives you 10 plays, where at most arcades, $1 gives you 7 plays. Do a couple. We're only got one play left. I might put a couple more bucks in because there's a couple cards ready to fall. I don't know.
Shall we roll on?
Yeah, he's like, you're out of tickets. It's too late. Okay, let's see what we got. Alright, we need Grandpa. We needed Brusa. We needed Violet. And Paloopa. Okay, we got everything we need. We have and that's 1,000 plus the golden ticket. 1,000 tickets. We're gonna get 1,000 tickets. That's it. Alright, I put in $2 more. Let's see if we can get this little bundle to fall.
She's a girl that knows where she's going.
Oh, I was hoping to golden ticket. Come on. Sometimes they bounce weird. Okay, that filled up all the empty spots, so hopefully we'll get some movement now. Hopefully that's just something. Oh, so close. Oh, there we go. Alright.
I am extraordinarily busy.
Alright. That's it. I only spent $9 on this machine and we got a heck of a lot. Okay. So I cashed in one complete set of Willy Wonka cards for 1,000 tickets and got this dinosaur plush. He was 1,000 tickets. And then we had played a bunch of just like arcade games, like Robert played Tailgate Toss, and I played Disney Crossy Road, so we had a bunch of tickets. And then remember, Willy Wonka also gives you tickets, and I brought the tickets that we won from last time. So I had enough for squishies, and these 3 squishies, and then a bunch of pixie sticks. And these are the extra cards. I could have cashed them in, but they were only worth 20 tickets. So I'm just gonna keep them as a souvenir. There wasn't anything I really wanted besides this dinosaur, and I got one of each of squishies. So anyway, and then on the claw machine, you saw I won this first try, Squishmallow. And we tried a couple other claw machines, but this was the only one I won. Isn't he adorable? I'm pretty sure my nieces are gonna steal him. But the dinosaur, totally keeping. Isn't he cute? So So yeah, this and all together, Circus Circus is really kind of, the arcade games are cheap. I think altogether we spent like $25. No, I take that back. Today we spent a $20 bill, and then the other day I only had like 5s, and because I didn't want to break a 20, and so I think last trip we only spent $12. So altogether we spent $32. So not bad. We got this plush and all this stuff, and then I have some souvenir cards, and you know, it was a lot of fun. I like that Willy Wonka coin pusher. $1 is like 10 plays, which I think if you heard me in my video, I was talking about most Willy Wonkas that I have come across is like $1 for 7 plays, or if not more. So Circus Circus has good value, it's just crazy crowded.